Hey guys, welcome to an Advent season of Arteza, where theoretically I open two separate art-related Advent calendars for you guys. Unfortunately, due to global supply chain issues, the 24-day Arteza boxes somewhere, who knows, Arteza doesn't even know at this point. But I do have the 12-day Advent calendar, so I want to do this Ashen style, where every day we open up a different door. Now there's a little twist on that because this calendar has art activities. So what I thought we would do is I thought we'd spend the first 12 days opening up the doors, and then the second 12 days leading up to the 24th and 25th trying out some of these art activities. So some of these days are going to be done as live streams, and some of these days are going to be done as recordings, just kinda however I have time and energy, because this year's holiday season is really crazy for me because we're still moving in. So I hope you guys are looking forward to this. I've been holding on to this 12-day Advent calendar for a month, and I am really excited to start unboxing it with you guys. So this is the first day of the Arteza 12-day Advent calendar. I purchased this off of the Arteza website through an email that was like, yo, we got Advent calendars. And I ordered a 12-day and a 24-day, and you guys know what's going on with the 24-day. Hopefully they will have it out to me sometime before the 24th, so I can do it Alexandria Ryan style and just rip through that thing and talk about the art supplies. So we're gonna kind of piece this one out a bit more, so make sure you check back every day leading up to Christmas for either a different art supply or a different art supply related activity as we open up this 12-day Advent calendar. Hey guys, so it is day one of the Arteza Advent calendar. I apologize for how sparse and non-festive our house is, but y'all know the reason. I just have to get over my feelings of guilt. So that means we're gonna actually unwrap this and check out what's in day one for today. So this thing was shrink wrapped. I got it about a month ago. It's kind of funny because they had the 12-day, which kind of tells me that it's the same calendar as last year. But they didn't. They ran out real quick of the 24-day because I opened the 24-day calendar the day it was released. And then I got an email saying they don't have them. And I was like, okay, well, that's fine. You're going to have it before December, though, right? And they're like, oh, yeah, for sure. It's December 1st. I don't have it. Global supply chain issues. Everybody's gonna have a real weird Christmas unless you're buying handmade. And speaking of buying handmade, I do have copies of Volume 1, Volume 2, and Lilliputian Living in the Natto shop if you'd like to give the gift of small business this Christmas. So this is their 12-day calendar. It has 12 art activities with 14 holiday-inspired pieces, including wood and paper surface. And how do I open this? It's kind of weird. Is it a slip cover? I think it is a slip cover. It's something. Can you tell? There we go. It just stuck to it. So I am actually not going to read the back. I tried to not spoil it for myself when I was buying and unpackaging it just now. So it says, Season of Joy 2021. So no, they didn't, well, they might have repackaged last year's stuff, but it's a new package. And then on the other side, we have our 12 doors with day one being our biggest door. I bet there's wood cookies in there. So we have this side, which is pretty, and you could display it. And then this side, which is also pretty, but it's gonna look pretty torn up by the time we're done. So let's pop open day one. And there's a little ribbon. I think that's supposed to help you get this out, but it does not. So day one is a teensy-weensy, tiny-wincy acrylic paper pad. And something I like is they actually talk about it right there. And there's a lot of foam in here just to kind of protect everything, which I also, it's a lot of waste, but I also kind of appreciate it. Day 4 is starting to fall out of place. So I guess I would recommend you store your calendar flat, not propped up like we would want. So day 1 says, the most festive season is upon us. And what better way to experience it than to count down to the holidays, expressing your creative flair with art wares provided by your friends at Arteza. Yeah, I pay all my friends. Are you ready to tap your amazing imagination and joyous spirit to create a magical holiday voyage? Scan the QR code for daily tips and challenges. That's kind of cool. Where is the QR code? There's a couple QR codes down here on the product itself. One of them says helpful tips and the other says join the Arteza Club and get 20% off. But I'm not seeing any QR code on this day. I am seeing day 4 trying to peek through. So the more I handle this, the more this is gonna fall apart. So no QR code here. It says PS. Remember to spread the cheer by sharing your artwork and tagging us. Do our promotion for us on social media with hashtag Arteza Holidays for special discounts. We're also giving away weekly prizes in our holiday contest. Check out our social channels for more details. So let's start off with a few tools you'll need to embark on this festive journey. Our exclusive new acrylic pad is sure to brighten your day. This new small size allows for countless project possibilities. Hang on to it throughout this countdown as your main surface for all your holiday themed creations. So there's 16 in these. They did promise us, 14 holiday inspired pieces, 12 different art activities. So I'm kind of relieved because I was thinking this was going to be an activity every day. And I was like, I don't know if I can keep up with that and my normal work. But fortunately, it seems like it's art supplies and then I guess activities to go with them. So I'm not necessarily seeing any QR code for like a specific holiday art activity on here. Now there is a big QR code for arteza.com to learn more about this product, and I'm gonna have to put tape on what's inside so that I don't spoil it. I will say this is in their premium line, which if you watch the big Arteza Art Kit Unbox and Swatch live stream, the premium line is really more like their student grade line, which is fine. They don't seem to have a lot in their expert line, so anyway, day 1, a teeny tiny acrylic pad. So I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow where we unbox day 2. It's a long skinny door. And gee, if I were a makeup unboxer, I would swear that was either a brush. Actually, I bet that's a brush. Look how long that door is. That's a brush. The similarities between the two communities surprise me sometimes. So anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow, December 2nd, for our second day of Arteza Advent Calendar. Speaking of Advent calendars, I am sharing Paper Craftmas with you guys again this year. So it is 14 finished days of paper craft activities for you to print, color, and assemble at home. I include the line arts. I include a finished color version if you so wish. And I also include 2 tutorials on how to color and assemble your adorable paper children. Mine have been sitting in storage since last December and are looking a little worse for the wear. So I've got to fix them before I can display them, but I'm hoping to do that this December as well. So if you're looking for fun, free holiday activities to either use with your Arteza Advent Calendar or with your own art supplies, I hope you guys will check out Paper Craftmas. I've been sharing it for freezies to the public on my Patreon at patreon.com/NatoSoup. And speaking of Patreon, they are the reason this is possible. So a huge thanks to them. Their names will follow. So hopefully as December progresses, we will have some of these boxes sorted out and I will have this tree a little bit more decorated. So maybe you guys will see the studio progress as December progresses. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys!